Baby, you are making a statement with this. You hear me? Guys, so we are back. This is the Outre Big and Beautiful. Big and beautiful. You hear me? Lace front wig. This is the 4B crown curls, and I have the color DR425. All right, guys. So wow, wow. Can we take a minute to appreciate the big, the beautiful? I have these glasses on. I don't know if y'all like these glasses. I'll leave a link right here to that review on these glasses if you guys are feeling these glasses. Okay, guys, so I'm really here for this hair. This is really bold, beautiful. I'm here, hair. You hear what I'm saying? So Outre, before, they had this big and beautiful line. I actually used to wear those wigs before. I remember they had like the half wigs, but now they're like kind of giving us like these flat lace fronts, and it's gorgeous. You walk in with hair like this, everybody gonna be looking at you. So this hair is not for the timid, it's not for the shy, it's not for the person trying to just show up and sit in the corner. No, baby, you are making a statement with this. You hear me? Wow, this is a lot of hair. So let's go ahead and talk about this hair. This hair comes with that lace part in the middle. I did go ahead and shift it to the side just to kind of give it a different look. I put some powder in the middle to open it up. It comes with some natural baby hairs in the front. I didn't swoop any baby hairs. I felt like, you know what, this hair kind of overpowers everything and you don't need any baby hairs. So you get these nice like straw set vibes going here. The straw set nice. It says 4B, so I mean it's like 4B hair, and this kinky kind of texture thing going on, and it's beautiful. It is so gorgeous. I used to be really scared of hair like this, but ever since I started kind of reviewing more natural wigs and embracing more of my natural hair on top of that, I'm embracing hair like this. So if you can appreciate hair like this, this wig is for you. The cap does feel a little bit snug. It kind of feels like I might be really tight under here. I do have a wig grip under here, and the cap kind of feels a little snug, kind of like a little pulsating. But I feel like maybe if you put it on a mannequin, it could loosen up because it's really stretchy. But right now it is kind of tight, girl. I ain't gonna lie. I might be getting a headache under here. But this hair is everything, y'all. You could kind of chop it up and give it some shape, but I like the fact that I could kind of, like, it came like this, but I like the fact that I can just move it, you know, and it kind of like sits in its place. Like it sits wherever you want her to go. She's obedient. She knows how to play Simon Says, okay? This is the type of hair that over time, the bigger and bigger it gets, the more natural it looks. And this is the type of hair also too with this texture that is gonna last you. This is how she looks without my glasses. I got a little bit too comfortable with my glasses, y'all, but look at that. Look at my vibes. I'm just all kind of bam. I really like it. I like it. I feel like I want a natural color. I think I want a natural color in this wig, y'all. But this red is everything. This red this red is definitely a statement. On top of the style, this red is just even more popping. And then, you know, I had to put on the glasses so I could be like, bam, I'm here even more. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Do you like wigs like this? Would you buy her? Are you a natural kind of girl, or is this just way too much for you? You know, because some girls, they a little bit too much for you, but it's okay. It's okay, girl. This big beautiful hairline does come in different kind of textures as well. Like there's a whole bunch of big beautiful hair in this collection, so definitely check that out. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.